Hey guys, Trey here from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're diving into the PPE transmission fluid thermal bypass valve designed for the 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s that are equipped with that 6L80 transmission. This upgrade is ideal for Silverado owners looking to improve transmission cooling performance, especially during heavy towing, hauling, or high performance driving. This thermal bypass valve enhances transmission fluid flow by bypassing the factory restrictions found on that OEM valve. It's going to ensure consistent fluid circulation through the cooler at all times, preventing overheating and maintaining optimal operating temperatures. This helps reduce wear on the transmission, improving durability and extending the service life. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or just cruising, this upgrade is engineered for reliability. It's going to install seamlessly in the place of the factory unit, offering a precise fit and improved functionality without any additional modifications. This is going to be crafted from premium billet aluminum. This bypass valve features an iodized finish for superior corrosion resistance and durability. The precision machine design ensures a leak-free and efficient fit, capable of withstanding the rigors of demanding applications. It's also nice to have this service plug with a magnet and an O-ring seal. Now, as far as pricing goes on this unit, it's going to come in right around that $100 price point, which is going to offer an excellent value for a product that improves your truck's reliability and the performance of your transmission. The install process of this bypass valve is very straightforward, earning only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and should only take you 20 minutes of your time. The kit includes all the necessary hardware and detailed instructions to ensure a smooth installation process. Now let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Alright, so this is a 10 mil wrench that you need to tighten up the service valve. It is a quarter drive with a 10 mil socket. This is a 10 mil box end wrench to do the lines that go into the valve. This is a 13 millimeter 3/8 drive to take off the 13 mil that holds the valve to the transmission itself. So the 13 mil will be seated here. This will be your 10 mil for the lines to come into, and this is that gasket up against the transmission. This is where the O-rings sit, is on the inside of here. The O-rings sit when the lines go in. That's why it's very important to make sure that those O-rings stay on the lines, so that way they can go into their hold. Alright, so you're going to start by taking off this 10 mil bolt right here. Get your wrench up there, and you'll start by breaking this free. Get your wrench situated, and get that thing broken free. Once you get it a couple turns, you'll be able to rotate it out by hand. You need to come under, brother. Get down lower. Yeah, right there. So, once you loosen it completely, take it out, put it down on the ground because you're gonna need that. You'll pull this retaining bracket back, try to keep it as aligned as you can in this position. It'll keep the lines from moving up and down and out of your way. Slightly pull them back, it'll drain out just a tiny bit of fluid, nothing crazy. Get yourself a rag or a small drain bucket and you'll be fine. Next step in this, you're gonna grab your 13 mil shallow socket on a 3/8 ratchet. You're gonna crack this free, just like that. Once you get it loose, you'll be able to take it right off by hand. Get it off, you'll need this, so retain this bolt. Wiggle this just slightly, and you'll be out. Now there's a gasket right here. You'll need to take this off. Get that gasket off. You will be reusing this. Alright, so you have them side by side. I'm going to take this gasket off right here. Do a little bit of cleaning. Swipe it down. And you're going to put it on your new one, just like that, right there. Get it on. Grab your valve. Get it seated into the transmission with your gasket already on it. Get your lines lined up. Grab your 13 mil that you took out at the beginning. Spin it in by hand, just like that. grab your 10 mil, line it back up. You want to make sure that the O-ring, there's an O-ring here and there's an O-ring here for this line. You need to make sure that those stay on the lines. If they don't, get them out of your old bracket. Now you put these lines in, you make sure that they go flush into their holes nicely, so they're seated completely, so you can only see the top of the beveled end. Make sure that your O-rings are in there. Close that bracket up. Get your bolt, spit it in by hand nicely. Get it in there. Once that's tight, you can grab your 13, turn your ratchet to on, put it on the bolt, tighten down your 13, and make sure it's good. Get your 10 mil as tight as you can by hand, and get your wrench, and figure out a way to get it on there, and get it started, and tighten it down. So once this is tight, tighten it down nicely. I always like to just double check everything again. Make sure your 13 mil is tight. This is where you're gonna grab your quarter drive, 10 mil socket, and you're gonna get up there, and there is a service valve on the top of this. Now make sure that that is tight, which I already did. Tighten that down. Grab yourself a clean rag and wipe down the area. You want to get this really good so that way there's no transmission fluid in sight. And you're going to get out of here and you're going to go up there and start the truck. Come back underneath and then just confirm that there's no leaks. You look at all your gasket areas and all your surface area and make sure there's no leaks. And that's it. It's in.
All right, now that's going to wrap things up for our review and install of the PPE transmission fluid thermal bypass valve for the 2014 to 18 Silverado 1500 models with the 6L80 transmission. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.